Hey, what's up? So you want a link from this to somewhere else, whether it's another one of your websites or it's just a random link. But how do you do that? So to get started, you have to have an A tag. A is what you need, and then href. If you just press A enter though, it brings up this page, which is really nice. It's really helpful. So href, this is where your link goes. So let's say I'm gonna go to YouTube. And you want to take youtube.com. So all I have to do, Control C, and then Control V right here, and then right here, Control S, and then, so this is what you name right here in between these. So you can say, YouTube, and then save that, and you click on YouTube, and then it takes you right there. That's pretty nice. But let's say you want to go to a different spot. Oh no. So you open this up again, but let's say you want to go to like your own file. So you have to start out by making a new file. Say get here. Sorry, my keyboard's really bad. .html. And so you have this, and you have to save it. You have to make sure it's saved. And then all you have to do, make sure you have these things. Sorry, I don't know what they're called. And then get here .html, and then you click on this, and then that'll go to this document right here that you just made. That's it. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.